Back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install the best live chat plugin in your website. So here I have a client website where I need to install a live chat. This live chat is the best and the most simplest live chat that you can ever install. Fast, simple, and reliable. This is not Tidio, this is not Tawk.to, this is not SmartUp. This live chat is one of a kind, only the free version. You just need only the free version. With the free version, you can do anything. So to install this, we have to go to our plugins. We add plugins. You come down here, you search Jivo. So that's the name of the live chat, Jivo. If you search JivoChat, you are going to see JivoChat live chat, WordPress live chat plugin for WordPress. I already installed it, so when you install yours, you activate it. Now you come here. This is a JivoChat. You press it. We are going to create an account. Let's come. You have to create an account. Let's use this email. Kit. Okay. Remember, all these videos that you're seeing are directly raw. No editing, no cutting and pasting. So what I'm showing you is what you need, and if you follow the steps carefully, you will always have the best result. Okay, so follow up with me, pay attention, and get it. Now let's go. Let's create a passport. Just say top priority and in English. So let's sign up. Once we sign up, go to the web application. So we need to test this live chat. So you're going to see that this live chat is top notch. The Jivo chat, that is what you need in 2026. The Jivo chat. You don't need any other thing. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to our website. Let's see if the live chat is there. Let's wait and see if it comes. Voila. This is a Jivo live chat. Automatic. No extra setup. No copying of the code and inputting in whatsoever. The Jivo live chat is the best, fastest setup. You just download the plugin, activate the plugin, sign up, and that's it. Let's text hello. If we come back here, you're going to see that the message is here. You accept the chat, then you say yo, text back. Let's come back. You're going to see the reply is there. So the Jivo live chat is the best live chat that you need. Go on, check the Jivo live chat, download Jivo. Forget about Tidio and Tidio. One disadvantage with Tidio is that at the end of the day, the widget is not going to be active. Talk to when you speak to your customers, after some time you come, the chat are not going to be available again. So you have to wait for the customer to come online, text you before you rechat. But with Jivo, your conversation history, your chat history is saved, I think, for as long as 2 months. So you see that Jivo is a hack. Most of you WordPress developer don't know about Jivo. So don't sleep on Jivo. Follow these steps and download and install the Jivo plugin on your website. You're going to enjoy it. So make sure to follow for more videos like this and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everything I'm going to give you is going to be authentic and raw. Thank you very much and God bless you. Let's get it.